listen to you.
Black and rich, she tryna sell me lies, bitch. I ain't buying suit. If we ain't talking money, then I'ma plead the fifth. I put ice in my mouth, yeah, I'm hydrated.
Hi guys, today I made Hiccup edit from the movie How to Train Your Dragon The Hidden World, and the background can watch my editing process and see how I put it all together. Thank you all so much for your love and support. It truly means a lot. If you like this edit, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for your attention. See you in the next edit.